In this video, one thing I forgot to record is the today daily text and the meditation process. I was only focused on getting the video recorded and edited. I forgot to add the most important parts. Please forgive me as I'll add it on the next one. Enjoy the video. I start with the wide row exercise, which is good for the lats and the traps in the mid and upper back with about 20 repetitions for 3 to 4 sets.
All these voices in my head, all these voices in my head. I'm sorry that I let you. I'm sorry that I let you.
Second exercise, I begin with the bend over row with about 20 repetitions and 4 sets. This workout is good for the lats and the traps as well. Third exercise, I begin with 1-arm rows for about 20 repetitions and 3 sets each. These are good as an isolation movement for mainly your lats.
All these voices in my head, all these voices in my head. I'm sorry that I let you. I'm sorry that I let you know. All these voices in my head, all these voices in my head. I'm sorry that I let you know. Feels like we were there. Wish it, I could 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 wish it.
Next exercise begins with the deadlift, and it's an excellent exercise for the lower back. It's important to keep the abs contracted with full range of motion to prevent strain and injury if you're new to these. And I do about 15 reps of 4 sets here. Exercise for back, do a trap raise for a good 20 to 25 reps for 4 to 5 sets, and this is good for mainly the upper back.
Feels like we're on the edge right now. I wish that I could say I'm proud. I'm sorry that I let you.
Our next exercise begins with bicep muscle group. Here, and I start with the bicep curls for about 20 reps of 4 sets.
I'm sorry that I let you down. All these voices in my head, all these voices in my head. I'm sorry that I let you. I'm sorry that I let you. All these voices in my head, all these voices in my head.
This exercise is the hammer curls, which works on the side of your biceps to give your arms a stronger, fuller presence. And I go for 15 to 20 reps on 4 sets of these. Now this exercise seems similar to the previous exercise until you do them. This exercise is called incline bicep curls with the hammer curls. The chair being leaned back gives more resistance and fuller range of motion when performing this movement. I go for 15 to 20 reps of 4 sets on these.
I'm sorry that I let you know. All these voices in my head, all these voices in my head. I'm sorry that I let you Feels like we were there. Wish it, I could 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 wish it.
exercise for biceps here is the concentration curls, and is a major movement for the biceps. I like to go for 15 to 20 repetitions of 4 sets on these.
Feels like we're on the edge right now. I wish that I could say I'm wrong. I'm sorry that I let you down. Let you down. All these voices in my head get loud. I wish that I could shut them out. I'm sorry that I let you down. Let you down. Feels like we're on the edge right now. I wish
Last and for sure not the least is forearm raises. This exercise is great for building stronger forearms and is definitely recommended. You need to go to failure on these.
I wish that I could shut them out. I'm sorry that I let you down. Let you down.
All these voices in my head, no. All these voices in my head. I'm sorry that I let you down. I'm sorry that I let you down. All these voices in my head, no. All these voices in my head. I'm sorry that I let you down.
Feels like we're on the edge.
This completes the workout.